A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for duck, E for earth, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice, J for juice, K for kitten, L for lotus, M for mango, N for net, O for owl, P for peacock, Q for quilt, R for rabbit, S for star, T for tree, U for unicorn, V for fan, W for window, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zigzag. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.